Hi, let's see how to fix Bluestacks error code 26 installation failed. Bluestacks changed how we use the phone apps on computers, making them work well on big screens. But Bluestacks sometimes get problems like error code 26 showing an installation failed message. The full error message reads something like something went wrong, installation failed. Error code 26. Something went wrong while installing the app player. This particular video explains why this happens, and we also see how we can fix this particular problem. So let's see what are the causes of the BlueStacks error code 26 installation failed. BlueStacks error code 26 shows something went wrong, installation failed. Error code 26 while trying to install the BlueStacks on your computer. The trouble might be due to the messed up BlueStacks files you are trying to install. Also, other software on your computer can make it hard for the BlueStacks to install. Sometimes certain computers or the systems can't work well with the BlueStacks, or if you don't have enough permission, it might not install right. We have identified several workarounds that could potentially resolve the issue. However, if none of these workarounds works well, it is advisable to seek further assistance by reaching out to the support people. Let's see how to fix the BlueStacks code 26 installation failed. The first method is restart your device. Sometimes just restarting your computer can fix the small problems that stops things from installing. The second method is disable the antivirus or the firewall. Sometimes the antivirus or the firewall software can mess up the installation. Try turning it off for a bit and then install the BlueStacks. To temporarily disable your antivirus software, locate the antivirus program on your computer, open its settings and then disable it. To temporarily disable your firewall, follow some of the steps like open your control panel, search for Windows Defender Firewall or the firewall, select the appropriate network profile, choose the option to turn off the firewall for the selected profile. Save the changes and exit the settings. And the third method is check the system requirements. Check if your computer has enough system requirements like space and memory for the BlueStacks to work on. Make sure your computer is also the right kind that the BlueStacks can work on with. Here are the system requirements for the BlueStack file. So the minimum requirements for the BlueStack file is operating system, Microsoft Windows 7, above processor Intel or the AMD processor. RAM, your PC must have at least a 4 GB of RAM. Storage should be 5 GB of free disk space available. Recommended requirements for the BlueStack file operating system, Microsoft Windows should be 10 or above. Processor can be Intel or AMD multi-core processor with single thread. Benchmark score greater than 1000. RAM of minimum 8 GB or more. Graphic cards NVIDIA GeForce GTX 560 Ti or equivalent. Storage can be SSD or Fusion with or the hybrid drives. You must be an administrator of your system or PC. Up-to-date graphic drivers from the Microsoft or the chipset vendor. The fourth method is download the latest version of the BlueStacks. Go to the BlueStacks official website www.bluestack.com and get the latest version or the newest version. Outdated ones might not work well and would make the installation fail. The fifth method is run the installer as an administrator. If you run the installer as the administrator, it might fix the problem with the permissions. This can help if you are having the trouble with the installation. To run the BlueStacks installer as an administrator, you can follow some of the steps. Find the installer file on your computer. Right click on the installer files, select run as administrator. Complete the installation by following on-screen prompts. After installation, BlueStacks will launch automatically and ready for the use. And the sixth method is contact Bluestack support team. If the previous methods or the steps didn't work for you, and get a help from the Bluestack support team from their official website support.bluestack.com. Chat with them or talk to them online, or find more ways to contact them on their website. Okay, so that's all about this. Thank you.